Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to a captivating discussion on mastering the art of dominating her mind. Today, we bring you 17 powerful ways to dominate her mind, what to do and what not to do. Whether you're in a relationship or seeking to understand the intricacies of the human mind, this video will provide you with valuable insights. So, let's delve into our first way. 1. Set the stage. It all begins by creating a safe and comfortable space for open communication. Listen attentively to her opinions, thoughts, and desires. Encourage her to express herself freely without judgment. Remember, your goal is to be a positive influence, not to control her. 2. Display confidence. Confidence is magnetic. Projecting self-assuredness will intrigue her. Stand tall, maintain eye contact, and speak with assertiveness. Confidence will naturally establish you as a dominant presence in her mind. 3. Master body language. Nonverbal cues can speak louder than words. Adopt open and relaxed body language, such as uncrossed arms and an upright stance. This will make her feel comfortable and respected in your presence. 4. Communicate clearly. Effective communication is key. Articulate your thoughts and desires clearly. Avoid misunderstandings by providing concise instructions or expressing your intentions openly. Dialogue builds a solid foundation for dominance. 5. Take charge. Taking the lead can be attractive. Whether it's planning a date night, making decisions, or organizing a trip, show initiative and take charge. However, always consider her preferences and establish a healthy balance between assertiveness and collaboration. 6. Support her ambitions. Empowerment is dominant. Encourage her dreams and aspirations. Become her biggest cheerleader, offering support and guidance. By promoting her success, you establish yourself as a dominant force in her mind. 7. Demonstrate respect. Respect forms the foundation of any healthy relationship. Display manners and courtesy towards her and others. Treat her opinions with respect, and she will perceive you as a dominant figure who values her. 8. Be attentive. Pay sincere attention to her needs and desires. Active listening fosters emotional connection and demonstrates your dominance in understanding her thoughts and emotions. 9. Create spontaneous moments. Surprise her with delightful gestures. Plan unexpected outings, leave cute notes, or surprise her with small gifts. These spontaneous moments create joyful memories and reinforce your presence in her mind. 10. Explore her mind. Intimacy expands beyond the physical realm. Engage in thoughtful conversations and explore her intellect. Show genuine interest in her perspectives and thoughts. This will make her feel connected to you on a deeper level. 11. Show vulnerability. Allowing yourself to be vulnerable demonstrates strength and authenticity. Share your fears, hopes, and dreams with her. By being open, you establish trust and create a safe environment for emotional bonding. 12. Maintain your independence. Dominating her mind doesn't require sacrificing your individuality. Maintain your independence, pursue your passions, and encourage her to do the same. A balanced life outside the relationship will make her value your presence even more. 13. Be passionate. Passion ignites desire. Show enthusiasm and zeal in whatever you pursue, whether it's your career, hobbies, or relationship. Your passion will leave a lasting impact on her mind and encourage her admiration. 14. Keep the romance alive. Romance is paramount. Plan regular date nights, surprise her with romantic gestures, and keep the sparks flying. Romance solidifies your presence as a dominant force in her heart and mind. 15. Grow together. Dominating her mind means evolving as a couple. Attend workshops, read books, or learn new skills together. Mutual growth strengthens your bond and establishes a sense of dominance based on shared experiences. 16. Practice patience. Dominance isn't about rushing or demanding obedience. Be patient when she takes her time to understand or when she faces challenges. Demonstrating patience showcases your support and reinforces the trust she places in you. 17. Never abuse your power. Lastly, dominance must never be misconstrued as abuse. Treat her with kindness, empathy, and respect. Being dominant means nurturing her growth, not controlling her every move. Abusing your power will only lead to a shattered bond, both mentally and emotionally. And there you have it, 17 powerful ways to dominate her mind, what to do and what not to do. Remember, dominance shouldn't be rooted in control but rather in building a meaningful and fulfilling connection. Implement these strategies wisely, and watch as you captivate her mind and heart. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, stay tuned for more insightful discussions.